Let's see how to add patterns to cloth using Photoshop. First of all, open your image and select the quick selection tool and go ahead and select your cloth just like this. And if you want to deselect anything, just hold down the Alt key and deselect anything. Now go to your pattern image and click on select, click on all, then go to edit, click on copy. Go back to your main project, click on edit, click on paste spatial and click on paste into. Now go ahead and resize your pattern just like this, then click on OK. And now it's time to blend our pattern. To blend the pattern, click on this blending mode and here select multiply. Now right click on your pattern layer and open blending options. Now hold down the Alt key and click on this icon to divide this icon. Now using this icon, go ahead and adjust your pattern. And then click on OK. And here you can see the final result, before and after results. So that's how you can actually add patterns to cloth.